जो भी हो मुश्किलें उन्हें पार कर, हर एक कदम पर जीत तुझे हासिल कर। मन में है हौसला, दिल में हो जज्बा, आगे बढ़ता चल कर अपने सपनों को सच्चा सच्चा। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रात चाहे काली हो, सुबह जरूर आएगी, तेरी मेहनत रंग लाएगी, मंजिल पास बुलाएगी। जो भी हो रास्ते उनसे लड़ना है, जीत अपनी होगी ये दिल से कहना है। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। हर दिन नया सवेरा, हर रात नई उम्मीद, तेरे कदमों में होगी एक नई ही जीत। तू खुद पर भरोसा रख, मंजिल तेरे पास है, बस तू चलता चल। तेरे संग ये आस है। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। हर दिन नया सवेरा, हर रात नई उम्मीद, तेरे कदमों में होगी एक नई ही जीत। तू खुद पर भरोसा रख, मंजिल तेरे पास है, बस तू चलता चल। तेरे संग ये आस है। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल।
चेंज लग रहा होगा।
बिल्कुल आई कांट रिकॉग्नाइज, आना ज्यादा वो रेस्पेक्ट।
This is a confidential. Very smooth stuff. Please come. Join us. She is and give you an introduction also.
That doesn't change. That doesn't change. No, that doesn't change. अरे प्लान लिया था प्लीज
Thank you, please.
हाँ बढ़िया आपके लिए और
Hello.
किधर बैठे हुए?
Chief Marshal Shri Amarpreet Singh, Ma'am Mrs. Sarita Singh, and our school manager, Ma'am P. Lata Tara, retired Deputy Director of Education. I stand before you today with great pride and excitement to welcome you all to the annual day celebration. We feel privileged to have Shri Amarpreet Singh Sir, the Air Chief Marshal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Param Vishisht Seva Medal awardee as our chief guest, who is also an alumnus of our school. He is the current and 28th Chief of the Air Staff. His presence today adds a special meaning to our celebration. I request our Principal Ma'am to escort our Chief Guest, Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh Sir, Ma'am Mrs. Sarita Singh, Manager Mrs. P. Lata Tara, and the President of the School Alumni, Mr. Sardana, for the lighting ceremony. Welcome to the unveiling of our special creation, the Dharohar Selfie Point. Through this selfie point, we aim to celebrate.
Our selfie point highlights the richness of our heritage. It symbolizes the pride we take in our culture. We have included traditional motifs such as worldly art, tribal designs representing the beauty and diversity of our country. It's a tribute to our ancestors and a reminder to cherish and preserve the legacy they left behind.
और नहीं आता कोई?
सारे जला दिए अंकिता
वादू के फोटो आ गए।
Tara to say a few words.
Esteemed alumnus, Air Chief Marshal Shri Amarpreet Singh, highly decorative officer with Param Vishisht Seva Medal 2023 and Ati Vishisht Seva Medal 2000. Better half of Air Chief Marshal Shri Amarpreet Singh, revered Madam Sarita Singh, eminent educator, chairperson, Dr. Amita Mulla Vattal, who is on the way and will join shortly. Principal, Dr. Preeti Shukla, respected estate manager, teachers, students, parents, and enrolled alumni. I welcome you all from the core of my heart. Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh is the 28th Chief of Air Staff of Indian Air Force. Born on October 27, 1964, alumnus of National Defence Academy, NDA, and Air Force Academy. He was commissioned into the fighter pilot stream of the Indian Force in December 19 1984. Throughout his illustrious career, Air Marshal Singh has held various command and staff appointments. Key positions of the same are Commander of number 22 Squadron and led the squadron with distinction. Served at the Eastern Air Command as Senior Air Staff Officer. Led the Central Air Command as an Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief. Served as Vice Chief before becoming the Chief of the Air Staff. Led the MiG MiG-29 upgrade project management team at Moscow, Russia as project director. Served at the aircraft and system testing establishment as chief test pilot. He is a qualified flying instructor and has over 5,000 hours of flying experience on various fixed wing and rotary wing craft. Heartiest thanks to Air Force Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh to be part of Annual Day program, and we wish and hope that in the coming future also you will shower your blessings to our students as well as teachers and to this institution. Dr. Amita Mullah Vattal, she is also a renowned educationist. She had made significant contribution to the field of education, who is the chairman of our school also. Dr. Vattal oversees the overall strategy and direction of the schools, focusing on providing quality education and fostering global citizenship. Her work involves collaborating with educators, policy makers and other stakeholders to promote innovative and inclusive educational practices. Dr. Amita Mullah Vattal has received several prestigious awards for her contribution to education. Some of her notable awards include National Teachers Award 2005. This award was presented to her by APJ Abdul Kalam, the former President of India. Endeavour Award 2009 and 10. She received this award from Australian government for her work in promoting Asia literacy. Acharya Award. This award was given to her for her contribution in the field of education. School highlights will be shared by Dr. Preeti Shukla in her report. That is, achievements in board exams, competitions, sports, innovative initiatives and programs implemented, community service projects and outreach programs, infrastructure development and upgrades. I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed guests for gracing this occasion, teachers and staff for their dedication and hard work, parents for their unwavering support, students for their enthusiasm and commitment to excellence. As we look to the future, we will continue for foster academic excellence and innovation, develop critical thinking, creativity and character, strengthen our community, partnership and outreach programs, enhance the infrastructure and resources. Tonight, we will celebrate not only our achievements, but also share our passion for the education. Let us continue to strive for excellence, united in our pursuit of knowledge, character and service. In the last but not the least, to our forthcoming generation, I say, believe in yourself, take risks, and never give up your dreams. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. Thanks everybody, whomsoever is present here today evening, and we are deeply touched by the gracious presence of everyone sitting over here. Jai Hind.
This annual day celebration is not only a celebration of talents but also an opportunity to showcase the remarkable achievements of our institution. Let us take a moment to reflect on the milestones we have achieved together. I would now like to request Principal Ma'am to come up on stage and present the annual school report.
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप सब मेरे निमंत्रण पर यहाँ आए। A very good evening to the august gathering. Respected esteemed manager Srimati P. Lata Tara, distinguished guests, alumni members, dedicated faculty members, parents and my dear students. We are privileged to have a very special alumnus of our school as a chief guest today, Air Chief Marshal Shri Amarpreet Singh Ji. He is accompanied by his better half Srimati Sarita Singh. It is an honor and a privilege to have you both here with us. I extend a very warm welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the annual day celebrations 2024 of SBM Senior Secondary School titled Dharohar. Today is a moment of pride and joy for all of us as we gather to celebrate our accomplishments, challenges and most importantly, our collective determination to achieve excellence. This year holds a special significance as we commemorate the 75th anniversary of SBM School, a journey that began as Vidya Mandir and has evolved into this esteemed institution. Over the years, SBM School has remained committed to the values of holistic education, where academics, sports, arts, and personal development form the pillar of our students' growth. Our students have once again set benchmarks with their outstanding performance in the CBSE exams this year. Their academic achievements continue to reflect their dedication and hard work. In the CBSE Class 12th results 23-24, our students have made us immensely proud. Priyanshu Shekhar and Bhumika Pal have done us proud by emerging as the toppers in Class 12th. They will receive the Sri Saraswati Prakash and Srimati Satyavati Vattal Memorial Award for the best students in academics of Class 12th. The award was instituted last year by our chairperson, Dr. Amita Mullah Vattal. Priyanshu Shekhar, Subhajit of Science Stream, Subhajit Mandal of Commerce Stream, and Bhumika Pal in the Humanities from Class 12th, and Smriti from Class 10th have not only excelled in the academics but also upheld the values of persistence and perseverance. Priyanshu Shekhar topped the District West A in Class 12th Science Stream. Smriti topped Class 10th in District West A in Class 10th. At SBM, we firmly believe that true education goes beyond textbooks. Our students have excelled at the central and zonal levels, bringing home numerous accolades. We are the top and bagged the first position in science drama, science quiz, poster making, mental maths, International Hindi Olympiad, various debates, poetry recitations, etc. etc. We don't lag behind in sports either. In science quiz, first prize at the central level achieved by Ritu, Aditya Jha and Shivam Gupta of Class 12th. Poster making, first prize was bagged by us at zonal level. Mental maths zonal competition, Prem Mishra and Abhineet secured first positions. In International Hindi Olympiad, our students won 3 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze medals. These achievements reflect not just talent but also the hours of practice and passion invested by our students and teachers. The list is very long. In science drama, at zonal and central level, Dhwani Arora, Swati, Bhavya Sharma, Geetika Gupta, Manas Raj, Chavi Ghai, Tamojit Ghosh and Dharmansh Jindal, they bagged the first position. In science quiz at central level, Aditya Jha, Shivanshu Gupta and Ritu of class 12th bagged first position. In poster making, senior girls zonal level, Gunjal got first position. The students from various classes have been selected to participate in the mental maths quiz competition at the zonal level. These bright young minds will proudly represent Zone 16 in the upcoming district level mental maths quiz competition. Their selection highlights their exceptional skills and dedication, and we wish them great success in this prestigious event. These students are Gandhi from class 5th, Arshad from class 5th, Aradhya from class 6th, Rajneesh Kumar Jha from class 8th, Geetika Gupta from class 9th, Anushka Gupta from class 10th, Prem Mishra from class 11th, Mahir Sethi from class 12th, Abhineet from class 12th, Vaibhav Bandari from class 12th. Demonstrating exceptional talent and teamwork, our students have brought laurels to the school in the zonal sports excellence meet and other competitions. In senior boys, handball, volleyball and yoga, our team secured first positions at zonal level. In junior boys, handball, sub-junior volleyball, teams also secured first position. Junior girls secured first position in athletics, 100 meters, 200 meters and long jump. In handball, senior boys, Gatik Kumar, Kartik Kumar, Nakul, Aryan Bharadwaj, Adit Kantura, Aman Singh Rana, Aditya Jha, Yashu Sharma, Sikandar, Rajan Verma, Shivanshu Gupta, Shoransh Mishra, Saksham Mishra and Ritik Abrol. They won the first position. In handball junior boys, Ramesh Singh Rawat, Vipin Kumar, Anusha, Himanshu Tiwari, Arhan Saifi, Piyush Kurana, Chirag Chaudhary, Mohammad Zunaid Raza and Satyam, they also bagged first position. In handball, volleyball, sub-junior, senior, the list is very long. In senior boys yoga also, we have bagged the first position. We are happy to announce that one of our students, Mehak, she is bagged first position at state level also. She needs a big round of applause. She bagged first position in 100 meters, 200 meters and long jump. Our CWSN category students do not lag behind. Piyush Paswan and Ashwin Pratap Singh of class 3 received the first prize in discus throw and shot put respectively. Anshik Pandey, class 7th, Lakhan and Ram, class 6, received the first prize in discus throw, shot put and 100 meters race. Tanya Sharma, class 12th, and Sanvi Rana, class 9th, received the first prize in discus throw, shot put and 400 meters race. The discipline and determination displayed by our students on the field are truly commendable. We are also proud of our scholars who cleared the National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Examination. This scholarship is given to class 8 students. They sit in the competition and continuously till if they qualify, they get 1,000 rupees per month till class 12th. 9 of our students have cleared this exam this year. Swati 9th, Shiva 9th, Rishabh 9th, Kajal 9th, Gayatri 9th, Roshni 9th, Sanjana 9th B, Shagun 9th B and Bhavya 9th B. Our school continues to lead in innovation and inclusivity with enhanced infrastructure which has been completely transformed by the new management under the leadership of our chairperson Dr. Vatal, incorporating the best of technology and a better school environment for the students and the staff. This has resulted in our institution being recognized and awarded with the Best Infrastructure of the Year award in July 2024. We also have dedicated counseling support for children with special needs. Our staff and the management work in perfect coordination to provide the best for our students. Behind every success story is a strong support system. I extend my deepest gratitude to Dr. Amita Mulla Vatal and Srimati P. Lata Tara for their unwavering support and guidance. Our parents for trusting us with their children's future. My dedicated teachers and other staff members of our SBM family for their tireless efforts and commitment. I extend my special thanks to the alumni members. Throughout the year, they have been supporting our students in many ways. Thank you so much, all the alumni members present here. As I conclude, I leave you with the thought, education is not a destination, but a journey. Together, students, parents, teachers and alumni, we will continue to dream, strive and achieve greatness. Let us celebrate our 75th anniversary with pride in our legacy and hope for a brighter future. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Here's to many more milestones, achievements and moments of joy. Thank you so much.
We now request Ma'am Jasmeet Chando to please come upon stage and say a few words.
Good evening to one and all. Dr. Amita Mulla Vatal, Chairperson DLF, has always believed in taking meaningful action for the betterment of the society. She believes that each human being is an entity with immense potential which needs to be channelized and harnessed for growth. It is with this in mind, Swashakti Vocational Center was set up at SBM School to impart vocational skills for empowerment, independence and economic stability. After a survey of the area and meeting the parents, the following 2 courses were decided. Beauty Care Assistant 4 months, Assistant Computer Operator 5 months. The admission details of the course are sent through a circular in all class groups to help parents, relatives and siblings of our existing school children join the program. After the completion of the 3-month Assistant Computer Operator course, students are able to perform data entry tasks proficiently. Sessions on soft skills helps them to gain confidence. The 4-month Beauty Care Assistant course enables the learner to understand trends in the field of beauty and healthcare. The certificate helps them to set up their own beauty parlor or join as part-time or full-time beauty therapists. We have completed 3 batches of both the courses and have started batch 4 from November 24. Each group consists of 20 students in the age group of 16 to 45 years and the course is sponsored by DLF. The students receive 2 certificates, one of SBM Senior Secondary School for successfully completing the course and the other depending on their performance from Jan Shikshan Sansthan, West Delhi under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. These students feel happy as they have gained the necessary knowledge and hands-on skills of their desired course. The award function is attended by DLF officials along with JSS Director and her team. All special days and festivals are observed and celebrated with both the groups. Each batch has success stories. I request the parents to pass on the word in their neighborhood so that more and more people benefit from this DLF initiative. My sincere thanks to our advisor, Dr. Amita Mulla Vatal and Principal Ma'am Preeti Shukla for her support. Thank you.
We request Monica Dheer ma'am now to please come up on stage and say a few words. Thank you, ma'am, and namaskar to all of you. I'm delighted to introduce Higher Education Initiative by DLF Cares in front of you. शिक्षा सबसे शक्तिशाली हथियार है जिससे आप दुनिया को बदल सकते हैं। यह इनिशिएटिव इसी विश्वास पर आधारित है। DLF का यह इनिशिएटिव फाइनेंशियल एड, करियर काउंसलिंग और मेंटरशिप के माध्यम से सुनिश्चित करेगा कि छात्र अपना सपना पूरा करें। स्कॉलरशिप स्टूडेंट्स को स्कूल के बाद उनकी अंडर ग्रेजुएशन जैसे कि प्रोफेशनल, वोकेशनल डिग्रीज या कोर्सेज गवर्नमेंट या हमारे पार्टनर कॉलेजेस में बिना किसी आर्थिक रुकावट में पूरा करने के लिए सहयोग करेगा। फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स, कंफ्यूजन्स एंड साथ ही हम देखते हैं कि इमोशनल स्ट्रगल्स, ये बच्चों की लाइफ में 12th के बाद हमने ऑब्जर्व किया। इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई अधूरी भी रह जाती है। यह स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम सुनिश्चित करेगा कि स्टूडेंट्स के सपने पूरे हों, साकार हों, और इसे पूरा करने के लिए हमने ग्रुप एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड ओरिएंटेशन बच्चों के साथ भी की, उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी की। आपके स्कूल में हमने जब इसे ऑर्गेनाइज किया तो हमारा मूल उद्देश्य यही था कि फाइनेंशियल नीड्स को समझा जाए और करियर गाइडेंस साथ में प्रोवाइड की जाए। रेगुलर करियर गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम होने के बावजूद भी कई बार ऐसा देखा गया कि जब हमें डिसीजन लेना होता है करियर एस्पिरेशन के माध्यम से, तो हम नोटिस करते हैं कि आर्थिक रुकावट बहुत बड़ा एक चैलेंज बन जाता है। सो 2023-24 में DLF केयर्स ने पैन इंडिया 135 स्टूडेंट्स को डिफरेंट कोर्सेज के लिए 70 लाख से भी अधिक स्कॉलरशिप प्रदान की है, जिसमें SBM स्कूल के वे सभी 28 बच्चे शामिल हैं जिन्होंने स्कॉलरशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया था। And we are committed to welcome a new batch of scholars each year. इस बार जिन 28 बच्चों के साथ हम आगे इस कार्यक्रम को बढ़ा रहे हैं, उसमें 5 बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग के साथ, BSc, BBA एंड BCom जैसे कोर्सेज के साथ 22 स्टूडेंट्स और प्रोफेशनल डिप्लोमाज में एक बच्चा हमारे साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है। इस पहल से विद्यार्थियों को हायर एजुकेशन के न केवल सपने पूरे होने के संभावना बढ़ेगी, बल्कि उन्हें अपनी लाइवलीहुड, अपने जीवन यापन के अवसर भी प्राप्त होंगे। DLF केयर्स का ये इनिशिएटिव स्कॉलरशिप प्रदान करने तक सीमित नहीं है। ये विद्यार्थियों को सशक्त बनाएगा, एम्पावर करेगा, ताकि वे अपने लक्ष्यों को साकार कर सकें। कहते हैं भविष्य इस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि हम आज क्या करते हैं। तो हमारे बीच में जितने भी 12th में अभी बैठे पेरेंट्स हैं या बच्चे हैं, मैं उनको यही सजेस्ट करूंगी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेहनत करें और इस स्कॉलरशिप का आगे फ़ायदा उठाएं। थैंक यू। Thank you, ma'am. It's a proud moment for our school today. We are delighted to announce that our school has been honored with the prestigious Excellence in Education Award by the Directorate of Education, Government of Delhi. This remarkable recognition was bestowed upon our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Preeti Shukla, by the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Ma'am Atishi Marlena, on 6th December 2024. Congratulations to all of us. We request Air Chief Marshal Sir and Ma'am Mrs. Sarita Singh and Ma'am P. Lata Tara to please come upon stage and felicitate Principal Ma'am with the trophy.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी एयर चीफ मार्शल जी से, उनकी वाइफ से और अपने मैनेजर से, मैम से, कि हमारे जो मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको वो जो है फैसिलिटेट करें प्रियांशु शेखर, उनके फादर आए हैं शायद. Please come up on the stage. Priyanshu is doing BTech from Allahabad, so he is unable to come. So I request you to please hand over this, do this honor. Priyanshu Shekhar. इनको वटल मैम ने ये 5000 का प्राइज दिया है, हमारी चेयरपर्सन ने. वो उन्होंने अपनी श्री सरस्वती प्रकाश एंड श्रीमती सत्यवती वटल मेमोरियल अवार्ड. Congratulations, sir. एक और है सर, प्लीज एक मिनट. देन मेरिटोरियस स्कॉलरशिप अवार्ड जो है, इस बच्चे ने डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी टॉप किया है, तो एक और अवार्ड प्रियांशु का है 3000 रुपए का. प्लीज, ही डिजर्व द बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. Bhumika Pal for topping the humanities stream. Please come up on the stage, Bhumika. सबको 2-2 चेक मिल रहे हैं क्योंकि एक हमारी मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से है और दूसरा एक स्पॉन्सर किया हुआ है सरस्वती प्रकाश मेरीवट्टू नाम. Then Smriti Kumari is absent. She is not here. She has topped the district. Then we have Angad Singh. Angad Singh for the topper boy of the school, class 10. Angad नहीं है. Come up, Angad. This award has been started by Vatal ma'am this year only in the name of Captain Mahendranath Mulla, her father. Congratulations. Then we have Tushant Sachdeva. Tushant Sachdeva is here. Come, run up, beta. Again an award of 5,000 rupees. Shubhajit Mandal for topping the science stream. Shubhajit Mandal. मैं यह बताना चाहूंगी कि हमारी स्मृति कुमारी जो 10th की टॉपर है, उसको 3 प्राइजेस हैं. एक जो है दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है, एक स्कूल मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स और एक कैप्टन मुल्ला अवार्ड उसको मिला है. तो शी डिजर्व. शी इज नॉट हियर. शी हैज गॉन टू अटेंड हर सिस्टर्स मैरिज एंड शी विल बी गेटिंग दिस चेक्स व्हेन शी कम बैक. थैंक यू.
He's an amazing artist. A huge round of applause, everyone.
A huge round of applause. Ayush, just show it. Yes.
एक फोटो हमारी दोनों की. रुक जाओ. ये दो है.
Alumni Association. Best Sports Girl Mehak. Mehak, class 10th.
सामने देखना.
Thank you so much for your patience waiting. Now we begin our program.
Might not seem much, but believe you me, we have grown so much. We are strengthening roots, delving deeper within, reaching for our stars with our names on it. We have inherited earth, we have the sky. Values and courage imbibed high. It's upon us how we weave tapestries of life, intentions the chariot upon which we ride, strengthening us to empower the weak. With this intent, we take steps each. We have miles to go before we sleep, miles to go before we sleep.
आवाहन उन सारे तत्व, सारी प्रकृति या सारा सृजन में बसे संगीत का आवाहन है। संगीत जल की धारा समान हर स्थान के बदलने पर अपना रंग रूप बदलती है। शब्द की नाद जहाँ हमें ब्रह्मांड में बसे ओम का आभास कराता है, वही ईश्वर वंदना हमें विभिन्न ऊर्जा से जोड़ता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the talented young musicians of Avahan. Please welcome the melodious maestros with 8 instruments and 15 vocal harmonies combined together to mesmerize your evening.
सजने का है सफर आखिरकार, खोना होता है जरूर सबको ही ये विकार, पाते हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक अलंकार, जो लक्ष्य जन्म से सदा है ईश्वर ने बदा, अहंकार से ओमकार है जीवन का यही सार, अहंकार से ओमकार।
I have no fear of death, no caste or creed. I have no father, no mother, for I was never born. I am not a relative, nor a friend, nor a teacher, nor a learner. I am the form of consciousness and bliss. I am the eternal Shiva. A mantra which reminds us of our oneness with the Absolute, the Transcend, the ultimate reality and the truth. The name Shivoham is given by divine inspiration because it represents our true eternal nature, the source and the goal that exists always. We present before you a spellbinding performance by the students of class 11.
निजं
के लिए जगत है झांकी जगह में गंगा चांद मुकुट है सब में कभी कभी बड़ा विकट है आपसे जन्मा है कैलाशी शक्ति जिसकी तरस की प्यासी राम भी उसका रावण उसका जीवन उसका मरण भी उसका तांडव है और ध्यान भी वो है अज्ञानी का ज्ञान भी वो है नाम तीसरी जब ये खोले हिले धरा और स्वर्ग भी डोले ऊंच उठे हर शासन में नाद उसी का पम पम बोले वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई जिसके भीतर बसा शिवा है
A huge round of applause for the sent before you these sentiments with the song जब जीरो दिया भारत ने and छोड़ो कल की बातें।
जब जीरो दिया मेरे आई देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया भगवान करे ये और बढ़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले हो छोड़ो कल की बात छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं क्या देखे उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं चांद के दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना नए जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं नया खून है नई उमंगे अब है नई जवानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। यहाँ चौड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ भोली शक्लें हीरों की। यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे मस्ती में, मस्ती है धूम में बस्ती में। देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।
We now have class 3 with super cool lungi dance.
अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट पे लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। थोड़ा रंग घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के।
जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। शिवाय जय